Hi, I'm Starkey from Driftworks and we've got another massive work wheel delivery. So me and Fraser are going to go for a small waffle, wander even, and have a look at some work wheels. So if you have any questions on any of the wheels you've seen in this video or anything on our website, please drop us a message and our sales staff will be happy to help. So what do we have here? Ooh, MCOs. Lovely, these are the same as what we're running on the E30, so they're super good, super like a motorsport style. They're not blue, they're white, but this is the protective coating. Here we go, some Meister Esplanade. Upside down. Yeah, real sweet white and polished lips. Nice, decent sized fish. Doesn't come with the stickers fitted, so these will just go there. Let's have a look at some wheels.
These are some CR01s. These have got a gloss centre opposed to the sort of
matte gunmetal.
Yeah. Cap.
Oh.
There you go. It's lovely with the gloss in that finish. So these are some burning gold. Is it burning gold?
It's the standard gold finish.
The two options are standard on the VSXX, silver and the gold.
Massive. This is going on an Audi of some description.
Oh, okay. Real nice. So with the Audis, they need a really high offset, but it's a good look on these.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good look.
What is this one? This is one of the rears.
Yeah, so it's a 20 by 10.5 plus 28.
Very cool.
R disc. So that's the big caliper disc.
Yeah, yeah.
So all the good, the R disc. So some Seekers in 17 and color X. Is your favorite band Static X?
Yes.
Remember the guy with the hair? Oh, he died, didn't he?
He died?
Yeah, he died. We all die, Rich. Oofed.
So these are quite a cool motorsport wheel. James ran these on his E36 M3 back in the day. And for a wheel with such a high offset, it's quite a good look, isn't it?
It's a bit like the L1s and the Eclipse that you've got in the Hilux. That's a really nice metallic colour.
Yeah, real good.
Sparkle in there. It's cool.
So this is another set of VSXXs in silver.
It's lovely.
Mega dish.
Yeah, that's real cool.
Real good that. Lovely. Now this is just a rim protector they put on from Japan just to
protect the rim.
Yep.
Yeah.
Clue is in the name.
Always protect your rim. We're looking at these two-piece versions of single-piece wheels.
Yep.
So the CR Ultimate Kwame and the T7R. You can get them in the CR 2P and the T7R 2P.
Now these are two very different sets of wheels. I mean, obviously, other than to look at, but this set here is for a 2017 Civic Type R. So it's quite narrow. It's like an 8.5 or something. 9.5, but it's quite a high offset as well. And so with it being two-piece, the spokes are almost, dare I say it, yeah, they're pretty flush with the edge of the lip. Whereas that one over there is a big boy.
Yeah.
Quite a low offset, 10.5, -13. So two very different styles. And it just shows you what you can actually do with the work wheels.
Yeah. Given that they're two-piece and you can kind of adjust your offsets and stuff, they can look massively different. So depending on whatever your car needs, if you've got something like a front-wheel drive car that has humongous Brembos as standard,
like these.
There's an option that'll fit. If you've got something that's got, they can take massive dish, you've got an option.
We've got some high offset.
Okay, cool.
Bonds on bronze.
Very cool.
Again, not a normal colour combination.
No, usually you'd be...
Well, people go for the contrast, don't they?
Yeah. But that's with the customizations you can do, picking on colours. You can have a wheel that doesn't look like somebody else's. I like that they've gone with the gold bolts on these ones as well.
Yeah, good finish.
Real
good finish. This is a 19-inch Meister M1R 3-piece.
They look good at 19, huh?
Yeah, real good. So, spot anything yet, young Padawan?
No.
So on the VS, the face comes to the end, and the bolts are insert, so the face sits on top of the lips. Whereas with the Meisters, the face is at the bottom, so you get this raised silver bit here, where the bolts are.
Just roll it. Cool.
So yeah,
that's a nice wheel. That silver's been a couple in that colour, real nice.
Yeah. Again, like we said before, that OEM.
Yeah.
OEM look with a bit of dish.
Yeah, it's not too in your face.
This is a BMW, so this is going on a probably rear of a 3 Series or something along those lines.
That'll be really cool. Yeah, it'll be real cool.
So last wheel then, what are you going for?
M8R.
Mater.
Mater. So 9.5. So that's not the biggest. They do a 10.5.
Like the one at the bottom.
Yeah. So that's the rear there.
And these is GTK.
These is.
These is. So this is what we call on the shop hyper black. We could have gone with the work terminology of Glim Silver, but
Glim, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
What is that about?
Or Glim Black even.
Glim Black. It sounds like, is that not one of the dwarves from Lord of the Rings? Glim.
I am Grimdor. And again, this is these little protectors to stop them. Fraser is millering off.
Very nice colour.
Really good colour. 2.5 has got quite a good bit of concave.
Yeah, definitely.
It's not a wheel that I would run on, say, something like my S15, but I think 350Zs would suit this.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for joining me on this work wheel wondrous world.
Work wheel wondrous.
Work wheel. So that was a quick look at some of the work wheels we had in. We showed you some of the cool, more unique custom wheels. Obviously, there's a huge range from work wheels, everything from the one-piece emotions to the really cool two pieces or the three pieces like the Meisters. Any questions, drop us a message, and thanks for watching.